Rashid, it's time.
Oh, but you woke me up. Oh, where are you?
I'm right here, and I'm gonna blow the bomb.
No, don't fulfill the dream of our dad. No, don't.
Okay, fine.
Boom.
Oh, okay.
You just blew up the bomb. Nice job, nice job.
Oh,
What was that for? What was that for? That was Camel Mall. You just blew it up.
Scoot down, yaar.
You had
Just do it.
You just had to.
Let me
blow
just
it
sit
up.
down.
You just
Is
had
it working? It is working. Let me sit down. Hello.
You just had to.
Hello.
You just had to.
Hello.
You just had to.
Hello. So, how are you? Very nice. I see that. Let me get one of these props that I have. Play-Doh. It's rock hard, just like something else.
I need some. You know my hair's going away. I need some Beastly hair product.
Beastly hair product. Tell them stand up until I'm back.
Okay. Now we will learn origami today. Ningu. Now it's just
Drum roll, please. Beastly 97's hair product. Alright, I'm gonna go put this on, and about when I come back there should be effects all over.
Alright. Okay. Don't not worry. Now where was I? To keep this chain on. I know, maybe the side effects will work on me.
Oh, you see I have so much hair now.
What the heck? What the
I have so much hair. Hair
the heck?
overload.
What the heck?
Hair overload. Okay, goodbye.